So how did you find the campus?
Pleasantly surprised that you've got such a big facility here in Dehradun. And my mom, one day she was watching Anchor on the news and she said, you should do this.
What kind of a career any student today's time should choose and how to choose?
We are at a time where AI is the biggest disruptor. There was a time जब आपको सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरी करनी होती थी, फिर वो चेंज हो गया. चेंज होके क्या हुआ कि आप डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर. From there the change is now कि मुझे किसी के लिए नौकरी नहीं करनी है, मुझे खुद का कुछ करना है. So I have to become entrepreneurial.
So today, no debates, no breaking news, just the real conversations with the man himself. The face off, prime time at CNN News 18. Yes, it's none other than Mr. Anand Narsimhan. I, Silky Jan Marwa, is hosting my first ever podcast with the Anand ji. How are you feeling?
Quite good.
Quite good?
Yeah.
So how did you find the campus?
I haven't seen much of it, but what I saw is quite impressive and it's good. I'm factly pleasantly surprised that you've got such a big facility here in Dehradun. And you know, largely what happens is Dehradun, there are some friends, but it's a transit route for us when we're driving up to Mussoorie or Landor or somewhere else. Right. So we've not spent too much of time. So today actually I've seen a lot of Dehradun trying to get up to your university. And once I've come in here and I said, all right, that's good. So what can I say? Onward and upward. It's what, 20 years now for you guys?
Yes.
Fantastic.
But I think we are privileged that, okay, sooner or later, at least you came to our university. So...
well, let's hope this is not the last one.
Of course not. I'll not leave you now.
Sure.
So, tell me, you've been into this industry for almost 20 to 25 years now, right? And what made you actually made journalism as a part of your career?
You know what? Everybody asks me this question and I always give them an answer which they don't expect. See, it was never chosen for me. In the sense, I didn't choose it. It was chosen for me.
Okay.
So let's say life chose it for me. And life put me on stage very early on through my school and college. I was always a good public speaker. But more than that, I was a very good host. So many people used to say at all points of time that, you know, you bring a magic when you're on stage as a host.
Okay.
So not that I couldn't do other things. I could do theatre. I was a singer. I used to do debates. A lot of it. All that is okay, but nobody can do what you do as a host. So perhaps you should make a career in it.
So which age was this?
This was when I was in early college and late school. So I think even my 12th standard, and then I studied in Jamshedpur. And after that, my BCom in Podar College in Mumbai. And my mom, very early, this was in my 9th standard, one day she was watching somebody Anchor on the news. And she said, you should do this.
Oh.
So, and I was quite surprised for a mother to turn around and say, and at that time I was wondering what I'm going to be in life. I want to be a soldier. I want to be a, a chartered accountant, MBA and all of that, a singer and all of that.
Okay.
And then she said, no, this is what you should be. And I didn't take her seriously. But that's what happened. You see, I finished my MBA and I paid for my tuition fees hosting, anchoring shows, emceeing shows.
Wow.
Okay, so I was actually earning what I got as my placement. And after I joined an advertising agency, what I got as my CTC for the whole year, I used to earn that in 45 days.
Wow.
So, and that's how I used to, pay for my tuition fees and my hostel fees and all of that.
Right.
So, my dean used to say, "Kya kar raha hai?" You're wasting. I said, "Sir, itna paisa dega, main padh ke aaya hu, MBA kiya, to kuch to karu corporate mein." He said, "Mark my words, you will not. This is not what life has chosen for you. You'll be." And exactly 5 years later, I won Dream Job, Harsha Ki Khoj, and then I was into sports broadcast. And suddenly, somebody from ESPN came for a meeting, a client meeting, and they said, "Oh, we're doing this reality show. So why don't you participate?" So I went as an outsider and ended up, winning. So it was life that chose me. And then when I went to ESPN, I just followed cues from life. And I think that's my philosophy, कि life ने सबके लिए कोई ना कोई प्लान बनाया हुआ है. हम कई बार उसको रेजिस्ट करते हैं.
Very true.
कि आपको लाइफ दिखा रही है कि भाई ये आपका रास्ता है, पर आप कहीं और देख रहे हो और आपको वहीं जाना है. तो फिर वो क्या करता है लाइफ कि चलो थोड़ी देर चल जाओ, फिर घुमा देता है, फिर चल जाओ, फिर घुमा देता है. इवेंचुअली आपको वहीं जाके खड़ा कर देता है जो जहां आपको होना है. सो द सूनर यू रियलाइज दैट, द बेटर. It's like that. And the other thing is, I love what I do. So That's another thing which life taught me कि you should make your passion your profession.
I would really like you to discuss this a little deeper because I also have the same philosophy. I love working, and if I'm not working, I'm not alive. They say that. But I think in today's time, what I have seen, the generation needs to love this. It's not just about money from the very first job. I think it's about loving your first job and then maybe making money.
See, it doesn't start like that. See, because हमारी परवरिश ऐसे नहीं होती है
Correct.
सिल्की. भैया हमें क्या सिखाया जाता है?
पैसे कैसे
हाँ,
कमाओगे?
पढ़ो और पैसा कमाओ.
Correct.
तुमको पैसा कमाना है. आपको ये नहीं कहा जाता कि आपको वो करना है जिसमें आपको मजा आए.
Correct. But
Yeah,
don't you
we're
think
not-
as
we're not
now
brought up to
the-
think like that.
But
We're not-
as a new generation now, we should start talking about it also.
See, it's not the generation, it's the culture, no? Your parents, you've seen your parents struggle to make ends meet.
Right.
So you realize कि यार पैसा important है.
Correct.
Then they say यार तुम्हारे पैसा होगा ना तो तुम्हारा सब कुछ होगा. So then what you do, the next thing is what? जल्दी जल्दी पैसा कमा लेते हैं.
True.
Right? चाहे उस काम को करने में मजा आए या नहीं आए,
Correct.
जल्दी जल्दी पैसा कमा लेते हैं. मैं आपसे ये प्रश्न पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking anybody and everybody. How much money do you want to earn?
There's no limit.
Correct. But is that going to make you happy?
No.
So what should you chase? You should chase things that make you happy, or where you feel you're smiling
Yeah.
and you're content, or should you do things which you're doing only because you feel you'll earn more money,
Right.
right? और हमारा कल्चर क्या है कि आज हमारे पास 10 रुपया आता है तो हम 100 रुपया बोरो करते हैं
बिल्कुल.
और हर महीने 10 रुपया जो उस 100 रुपये को चुकाने में लगाते हैं. फिर हम 20 रुपया कमाते हैं, हम 200 रुपया बोरो करते हैं. हमारी लाइफ ही EMI और कर्जे में चली जाती है.
True.
अगर आप ये डिसाइड कर लो कि भाई मुझे बस वही करना है जो मुझे मजा है, जितने में पैसे कमा रहा हूँ उतने में मैं अपना जो भी कर
Content
सकता
हूँ
करूंगा. You know what happens? You work harder and you work longer when you enjoy what you're doing.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah.
So oftentimes people are good at something, but they don't do that because they feel उसको करने में पैसा मिलेगा ज्यादा.
True. True.
So पर जो कारण करने में आपको मजा आ रहा है, जो खुशी मिल रही है, वो तो आप नहीं कर रहे हो.
True.
तो फिर आप दुखी ही रहोगे.
इसी पे ही मुझे
आप जल्दी बुढ़ा जाते हो. In the sense you become older faster.
Yes, इसी पे मुझे एक चीज याद आती है कि if you see today words like what do you say, startups, fintech, finance, they are really cool words in today's time, right? I would really want you to touch this point. What kind of a career any student today's time should choose and how to choose?
See-
And if it is journalism, then what are the things
See,
you
I'll
should
tell you
keep in
what,
mind?
we are at a time where AI is the biggest disruptor.
Right.
Okay, see, there was a time जब आपको सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरी करनी होती थी. आपकी लाइफ में स्कोप क्या था कि यार कहीं पे भी सरकारी नौकरी में लग जाओ.
True.
फिर वो चेंज हो गया. चेंज होके क्या हुआ कि आप डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर कुछ बन जाओ. फिर उसमें CA जुड़ गया, ठीक है, फिर उसमें MBA जुड़ गया. There was a change happened कि अब मुझे सरकारी नौकरी नहीं, प्राइवेट नौकरी करनी है. From there the change is now कि मुझे किसी के लिए नौकरी नहीं करनी है,
मुझे खुद का कुछ
मुझे
करना है.
खुद का कुछ करना है.
मुझे
So I
अपना
have to become
बनाना.
entrepreneurial.
Yes.
Now this entrepreneurial culture also is there in certain groups in our society,
Yes.
not across all groups. Most groups से कोई नौकरी कर ले. आपके घर में आपके माँ बाप आपको ये नहीं कहते कि आपके अंदर एक एंटरप्रेन्योरियल जीन होना चाहिए, कुछ बड़ा कर. ये गुजराती फैमिलीज में बोले जो भी करना है बड़ा कर. हाँ, कुछ बड़ा कर. गुजराती फैमिलीज में होगा, कुछ मर्चेंट फैमिलीज अगर आप देखें हरियाणा में होगा या फिर AP में होगा, यहाँ पे होगा, जो भी करना है कुछ बड़ा करो.
Right.
अधिकांश जगह क्या है, इंजीनियरिंग करो, डॉक्टरी करो, US चले जाओ, देश छोड़ के चले जाओ. ये एक मेंटालिटी थी कि पढ़ो और पढ़ाई करनी है, जो भी कमाना है बाहर चले जाओ, देश के बाहर चले जाओ. सो आपके देश के अंदर रह करके आपको कुछ करना है, एक तो हमने सिखाया नहीं जनरल. तो टू एक्सपेक्ट देम टू बी पेट्रियोटिक एंड टू हैव अ फीलिंग है, बिकॉज सिखाया नहीं है यार, सब कुछ बोला बाहर ही है, यहाँ कुछ नहीं है. So that's a problem with parenting, problem with our education system, problem with our teachers, problem with who we are looking at our role models, etc. That's one point. Second thing is AI is a disruptor. So today's careers are not tomorrow's careers.
Correct.
Tomorrow's careers are going to be very different. AI will disrupt. There will be a lot of jobless people, but AI will also create jobs. So people will have to reskill themselves, reorient themselves. मैं एटलीस्ट अपने लिए कह सकता हूं कि आई वॉज बॉर्न एट अ टाइम व्हेन ट्रंक कॉल्स होते थे, ठीक है. आई ग्रू थ्रू अ टाइम, वो ट्रंक कॉल से फोन आ गया, फोन से फिर एसटीडी पेजर आया, पेजर से फिर पहला मोबाइल आया, 16 रुपया इनकमिंग, 32 रुपया आउटगोइंग। तब भी मैंने देखा है वैसे सैटेलाइट फोन जैसे फोन हुआ करते थे और लोग पेजर लगा के एकदम स्टाइल होता था कि पेजर है, फिर वो गायब हो गया। हमने कॉलेज के टाइम में तो कांडी लगाया, पीसीओ देखे ना, पीसीओ में हम डंडी लगाते थे 1 रुपया बचाने के लिए और उसके कॉल करते थे। आज का जनरेशन इज born into technology, they are born into a smartphone, we have had to learn all of that.
Second-year-old is doing
So
that.
they are born into technology, so we are going to go into a world which is going to be a technological world. उधर क्या क्या important होंगी? Direct skills, देखिए humanities will become very important.
Okay.
Media will evolve, media will change.
Yes.
You will need more coding in media also, but you also will need well-read people in media.
True.
AI can give you information, but AI will not be able to replace your IQ and EQ beyond a certain point. It can, a lot of people are using AI to do their work. It's not supposed to be, it's supposed to supplement your work.
Yes.
In journalism, there may be people who will start sounding like me or some other journalist in the future. You may have an AI coming out and reading out the voice in the this
Bulletins
one
and everything.
you want. But one thing is, news will never be over. People will always want to consume news.
Correct.
So what will happen? Medium will change. Message
Right.
dissemination format will change.
Right.
So the career options will also
we
change.
should
But
be
you'll have to
prepared.
change and evolve
So I
with
think we
that.
should always be prepared about future now.
अगले 5-10 साल में बहुत डिसरप्शन होने वाला है और कंफ्यूजन होने वाला है कि हम क्या करें।
True.
तो इसलिए अगले 5-10 साल में what I feel is that people need to be oriented themselves to or orient themselves to be ready to learn, ready to adapt.
Right.
कि भाई आपको ये चेयर नहीं मिलेगा, आपको वो चेयर, आप उधर बैठ जाओ,
Correct.
आपको सीखना पड़ेगा।
Correct.
You'll have to-
Adaptability is a very
Yeah.
good point which you are
That's the
making.
only, I think that's the biggest thing that we'll have to learn to understand.
yes.
And we should have the ability to look beyond traditional careers.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Why
So,
not? I think it's time. that
yeah.
People actually can follow their passion as careers.
Yeah. See, today, you don't need a legacy channel or a platform to become a journalist. You can be a journalist even on Instagram, on Meta, on Snapchat, on any platform, and you can do. But what you cannot lose is integrity.
Right.
What you cannot compromise on is credibility.
True.
And what you cannot compromise on are facts.
Great.
तो ये तीन चीजें तो पिलर तो वही है.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was a pleasure interacting with you. I think you've given great insights for our students.
Tulas University, Dehradun.